Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So very good news for all of you. NABARD has finally released the Grade A and B 2021 notification. So this newspaper cutting is right in front of you. You can read it. How many vacancies? 148 Grade A vacancies in RDBS. 7 Grade B vacancies in RDBS. So assistant manager in Grade A. 148 vacancies in Rural Development Banking Service or RDBS. Manager in Grade B, so Grade B is the manager. How many vacancies? 7 in RDBS. So 2 specialist, vacancies have also been released. That is for Rajbhasha Service and Protocol and Security Service, right? So most of you must be interested in the first one and the fourth one, RDBS Grade A and RDBS Grade B. The registration date has also been mentioned. It will start from 17th of July and it will continue till 7th of August. Now the detailed notification is still not out. This is from the newspaper. The detailed notification will be out in a couple of days on NABARD's website, official website, the career section, and the eligibility, the syllabus, the pattern, everything will be given in detail in that detailed official notification once it is out on NABARD's official website. But still, heartiest congratulations to all those who are preparing well for the preceding few months, and now their efforts will bear fruit since the notification is now out. Fine, so we'll also be having a live session today itself where I'll be discussing how to prepare for NABARD Phase 1 as well as Phase 2. What are the 4 pillars? I always talk about 4 pillars when it comes to NABARD Grade A preparation. So what are those 4 pillars of NABARD Grade A preparation? Be it Phase 1, be it Phase 2. I'll also be talking about what mistakes I have seen so many aspirants commit when they are preparing for NABARD and how to avoid those mistakes. Please bear in mind, no one is going to tell you this. I literally believe this, that no one tells you this, that these are the typical mistakes that you commit. From experience I'm telling you, 4 to 5 years of experience I'm telling you, these mistakes are committed by so many aspirants. So we'll be having a live session today itself. Please check in the description of this particular video for the link of that live session. Do join me there and we'll be talking all about the strategy, all about the mistakes, all about the myths regarding NABARD Grade A and B examination. Right, so please note down these details. 148 Grade A vacancies, 7 Grade B vacancies in RDBS. 17th of July, online application will start. 7th of August, the online application will be closed. Fine, generally there is a gap of 50 days between the release of notification and the examination date. Fine, generally it is 50 days. So we can expect the Grade A examination, the Phase 1 examination and the Grade B Phase 1 examination to be held according to that. That's all from my side. Let's meet in the live session. Thank you so much.